I'm Nicole from the Netherlands, and today we are talking about sex and lust. People think that animals don't have emotions, and well, it's actually not a very smart thing to think, I think, because if you look at animals, if you look at birds and all kinds of animals, you will see that they flee. If you don't have fear, you will not flee. Then it will be over with humankind. So you need emotions. But there's another emotion, and that's sex, sexual. In our societies, in the Netherlands at least, we don't ride many stallions. We don't like to ride many stallions. We don't like male behavior. But it can be because we don't know it, we're not familiar with it. When I was a child, I didn't know many stallions which were ridden. But in other cultures, as the culture where he came from, they're riding stallions. Stallions are lust, sexual needed. Stallions need sex to survive, and to do that they have a very special way of living with several mares. In nature, 96% of the mares doesn't survive. 96% of the stallions doesn't survive. So you have to have special skills to be able to survive. And in nature, of course, everything is about survival and reproducing your kind. That's why animals have sex. I'm not going to tell you how horses do it exactly, because everybody knows, I think, how they're doing it. But they don't do it 24 days and 24 hours a day. The mares, one moment per month that she is having a period, that she is able to give birth, that she can have sperm of the stallion. Stallions can do it always, and that's why they behave more expressive, because they should impress more to be able to keep these mares with him, because these mares have to look up to him. Horses don't buy love. They bond because they like what they see. In nature, there have been several herds where the stallion made mistakes and the mares left him, which is pretty incredible. The mares left the stallion. This stallion wasn't well enough. He killed two herds. There was a filly killed by a young stallion. He was so overexcited that he mistaked. I mean, killing a filly is definitely a mistake, and it's a very big mistake in nature. Because if all the stallions would do that, kill fillies out of excitement, there wouldn't be horses. So we have also the discipline, and that's what I'm going to talk about in the training videos, about discipline, about training, about learning, teaching horses how to behave. Thank you for watching. It's been cold out here, it's December, but still I hope I'm warming your heart for Mother Nature and the animals. Thank you for watching.